Guys, welcome back to Marvin is Essential. So let's continue from the last tutorial where it ended, where we're discussing that we no longer need just to hard code values whilst we are running our code, like whilst we are writing our code, but rather we would like a user to enter um, his or her desired results to add. So how do we do this in Python? We use another inbuilt function called input. If you want to get input from the user, just type input, then you put parentheses in front of the word input, then between the parentheses you write what is called prompt as shown here. Prompt is something that tells the user what is he or she is supposed to enter. If it's a name, just say enter name. If it's a number, enter number. If it's anything, enter age. If it's age, enter age. So it's something which is descriptive to the data which the user is supposed to enter at that specific what position, right? So in this case we want to say enter what first num or first number, right? Then maybe we put this full colon, then a space. That's the same thing which we want to do here. Input, enter second number, like this. So whatever the user is going to type or input, it's going to be assigned to the variable what, and that a value which would have been assigned to num1 is going to be used here to process to add the two numbers. He or she is going to enter first number and then enter second number. Then those two values which he or she would have entered are going to be assigned to num1 and num2. Then num1 and num2 are the ones which you are going to use to compute or to use to find the result, which is the sum of the entered numbers, right? So let's run this and see what will happen. Enter first number, then we write 23. Then enter second number, then we write 43. Then, oh, 23, 43. It's like 2343. It's logically incorrect, right? So this is what you call a logical error, right? 23 plus 43 is never 2343, right? So what has happened? Defaultly, the input function, whenever we allow or whenever we write this input thing, whatever the user will enter, it's treated as a string, right? So you may be wondering, oh, where is this guy getting all this? Let's just do a simple example. Let's just print the type. Remember the type function from the last tutorials, right? Then we type 2. Let's see what is the type of 2. Let's enter 54, then maybe 23. Is it it's in the string class, right? So whatever defaultly the input function will allow users, whatever the user will enter, it will be what, a string. So but still there are still questions. Can we add strings? Like, can we add Malvin plus Munashe? Let's see. Let's just do a simple example, another example. Let's delete this. Let's say print Munashe uh plus Malvin. What is the answer? Can we print this? Okay, I don't know. Let's see. Oh, Marvin Munashi. Oh, so what's this? It's giving an answer, right? So what is this? This is no longer addition, guys. It's now what we call concatenation. Concatenation, it's gluing together of two different things, strings, right? So we got the Munashi string and we got the Marvin string. And if we want to glue them together to create one single string, we just use this concatenation operator. Yes, it's the same plus operator, but when it comes to strings, it is now called a concatenation operator. That is the reason why let me return this like this. That is the reason why when we ran this, 23, oh, let's come here, 23 plus 43 gave 2343, because this is a string and this is a what, a string. So we glued 23 and 43 together to produce 2343. But this is a logical error because we didn't want this, right? We wanted actually to add the integers. So what do we do now? How can we make this input thing to evaluate it as what, as an integer rather than a string? We can do it in two ways, right? Either we can convert the string here during input, or we can convert them here when we want to compute the what, the result. But how do we do it? What is it called when we convert data from one data type to another data type? It's called what? Casting. Casting is basically converting data from one form to another, right? So this text data can be converted into the integer data, right? How do we do it? In Python, we just write int, right? That is the data type which we want. That is the one which you write here. Well, it doesn't matter even if it's an integer, and if you want to convert it to a string, right? You just write string because that's the data type which you want. Then you surround whatever the other type of data will be. Then you put parentheses like this. Then you do the same thing like int here. Then you write parentheses like this. So we have converted the string num to from string to what, to an integer. That is what you have done. Now let's test this and see what will happen. Now let's say 23 plus 43 is now adding correctly, giving us 66. Now there is no more logical error because it is actually doing what we want, right? So this is the first step, or first way of converting this program into doing what you want. The second way is actually to convert during what, input. Like we convert the input already before using the variables to compute our result. What do we do? Instead, let's remove these right? So if we want to convert it during input, we actually come here, then we write maybe int before, then we put all this because we are treating this as a value, right? So this whole thing will be treated as a value. So we are converting that value from string into integer, right? Then we put parentheses like this, just like from the last way. Then you do the same. So rather than, instead of converting this num from string into integer, we already have a num1 which is an integer because we have already converted the input during input. Right? So if we run this, it will produce just the same results, right? Let's add 54 and what, and 23. I just like 23, I don't know why. It gives us 77. So it's not doing what we want. But this is limiting, right? Maybe the user has entered a float. He or she wants to add two floats like 45.5. Boom, it gave an error, right? Invalid literal for end. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, join me in the next tutorial as I explain what has happened here. Let's meet in the next tutorial as I explain more on typecasting or maybe type conversion, so that we understand deep on what happens when Python receives this 45.5 and tries to convert it into a what, into a string. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next tutorial.